Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am feeling really crappy about my hair, so let's color it. So I'm not going to do anything too drastically different. I am going to go in with the IGK Smokey Scarlet. I originally got this through Skeepers and I've been using it ever since because I just love the way it makes my hair look. I have 2 boxes of this because my hair tends to need 2 boxes of dye. And then I'm going to change out the yellow. I'm going to change out the yellow and I'm going to go in with pink. I have the Manic Electric Pink Pussycat. I think my yellow is light enough that this will cover it. If anything, it'll just look slightly orange. But I am going to change out of this hoodie because if I get dye on this hoodie, my husband will be very upset with me because we share this hoodie. Speaking of this hoodie, after the burial, saw them when they performed with Spirit Box. $80 hoodie. $80. Anyway, let's do some hair stuff. So I have my towel draped on because I don't know what I did with my robe. And this is already a very, very bleach stained towel, so it doesn't matter if I get dye on it. I'm going to start by, I think, sectioning out my bangs. My bangs are getting longer. I might cut them, I don't know. Let's see if I can get a decent part with only using a hand mirror. This is kind of happening all on a whim. I didn't plan on coloring my hair, but I just feel like it needs to be done. So I think this is good enough, so I'm going to open up my dye. I'm just going to throw it on a paper plate because I don't need a ton of it. Glove on. I'm not going to really overly section my hair. So obviously I have some red still down. It's fine. It's whatever. And then my roots are not done at all. I don't plan on using bleach. At least that's the plan. I don't want to use bleach anytime soon, but we shall see how it goes. Hopefully this is a good enough color to cover up all that yellow and maybe even slightly color some of my natural color. So my roots are all my natural color and I am in the process of trying to go back to my natural color, which I think I've said many times, and I get so bored with my hair. So I'm kind of hoping more wig companies want to reach out to me and be like, hey, you want some wigs? Because then I wouldn't feel the need to change up my hair every 2 weeks. Now, I think maybe this dye is meant for like super blonde. So I think it's just going to maybe turn out orange, which isn't, you know, not mad at it. It'll probably come out like a corally pink color. Hopefully all this yellow gets covered up. I'm still seeing it through this pink. Maybe the yellow wasn't light enough, but whatever. Too late to turn back now. Alright, so I think that is looking thoroughly pink. So I'm going to very gently twist this and I'm gonna pin it. Very important to get the dye off the face. Hopefully this turns out the way that I want it to, but I'm gonna now move on to the rest of the hair. So basically how this works is you put box 2 and bottle 1 and shake it up and then apply it that way. Alright, so I have both my bottles mixed up and it is like 80 degrees in my apartment right now, so I'm going to just do this as either a voiceover or music is gonna be playing. I haven't decided yet, but I'm gonna turn on my AC, turn on some music, and just get this over with. So I will be back to speak to you, actually speak to you, when the dye is all in my hair.
We keep seeing their eyeballs glued to us on the sidewalk, but that look could kill. Oh, they are trying so hard to find all the weaknesses inside, but it's gonna spill. Oh, can we take a minute, turn and face the critics? Let's put flowers in our hair like we don't care, and dance a village clown, please. Nobody's stopping our groove. Oh, that's good. It's just you and me, and making me laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Oh, that's good. It's just you and me, and we can clown around, yeah. And we can clown around, and it's just you and me. Oh, you and me are a vibe, girl. Disco, some fun like one of a kind, girl. Till morning's here. But when opinions start to guide us, we won't let them define us. No, we'll play it by ear. And I know that you're shy, but we can clown around tonight. You know the circus leaves town when it's right. And there's a village clown moves, nobody's stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good, it's just you and me. And making me laugh with your moves, ain't no stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good, it's just you and me. And we can clown around, yeah. And we can clown around, and it's just you and me. Now it's your turn to clown around and take a train to Freaky Town. And we could just clown around like this, you know. We could just clown around a bit and dance a village clown moves. Nobody's stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me. And making me laugh with your moves. Ain't no stopping our groove. Ooh, that's good. It's just you and me. And we can clown around, yeah. And we can clown around, and it's just you and me. And we can clown around, yeah. And we can clown around when it's just you and me.
Alright, so hair is fully saturated. I did my clips a little too tight. It's gonna hurt my head. So I'm gonna leave this in my hair for probably about 40 minutes. I'm gonna go eat lunch, go make something for lunch and have lunch, and then wash all this out, and I will be back to show you how it looks like what. Then I'm gonna do my makeup for another video. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. All that. I will be right back. Alright, so this is my hair now, wet. The paint did go a little orange, but it actually, I like it. It's like an orange to pink ombre. I like it. So I'm going to go and dry my hair. I will share some of the products I'm using. So I've been mixing these two products in for my hair. I have the Hair Proud Everyday Care. This is the all-inclusive 5-in-1 protection milk. I use this one as like a leave-in conditioner, and this one is the Ava NYC 10-in-1 Main Magic. Oh my god. This I discovered through TikTok. Somebody actually recommended it to me at the beginning of the year when I went and stripped the red out of my hair and I was pink for a while. My hair was severely damaged. This, along with the shampoo and conditioner in the Main Magic line, oh my god, saved my hair. My hair felt so good, and it continues to feel good by using this. Not sponsored or anything. They won't do anything with me. So not sponsored, but this was sent to me. Bought this with my own money, and this is almost empty, so I have a new one that I just picked up at Ulta literally yesterday. So I'm gonna go and dry my hair, style it, which will probably just be I dry it because I don't style my hair. I like it. I actually like my bangs a lot more when I don't put any heat on them. So I'll put heat probably on the rest of my hair and then just leave this as is. But yeah, I'm gonna hop off, dry my hair, do my makeup, and I'll be back with my final thoughts on my hair. Alright, so I actually didn't put any heat on my hair. So it's just air drying because I honestly don't want to mess with my hair dryer. I just don't. My bangs are really long and it's bothering me, and I kind of want to cut them, but I also just want my bangs to grow out. I think I'm going to cut them, so I'm going to do that now. I do everything without a plan, but I'm feeling like one of those dogs with the hair that's just way too long and it's just bothering me. Let's do something about it. I love the color. I do wish it was a tad bit more pink, but I don't mind it. How am I going to do this? I'm gonna make a mess, but I can vacuum. A 1/4 inch off. Right? Slightly better, yes. Maybe a tad bit more. My hair will grow when it wants to grow. Just a little bit more. I'm gonna have hair all over me. Better, right? More manageable? Yes, better. Okay, I can deal with that. Like I said, I'm just letting my hair air dry, but I really like how it all came together. I'm gonna have to wipe this hair off my face, but do we see the color? It's so pretty. Obviously it doesn't really, I guess it does kind of look like how it looks in here, but since I had so much yellow in my hair, it turned like up here orange, and then it was lighter down here, so it turned it more pink. But I think it flows pretty well, and I am into it. So thank you for watching me change my hair again. Anyways, so that is it for today's video. I'm gonna go clean this hair off of me and go finish my TikToks. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and give this video a like, follow, blah blah blah. I'm artistryxashh on all my other socials, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you all in my next video, whenever that will be. Bye.